Hello everybody, Jacob Sapochnick here, immigration attorney based in San Diego, California. And in this video today I wanted to talk about something pretty exciting that was just announced today. And this is the International Entrepreneur Rule. They call this, today is August 26, 2016, and the USCIS Immigration Service announced that a proposed rule that is going to take about 45 days to get comments on it, and hopefully maybe the next few months it may become effective. But what the International Entrepreneur Rule is going to do is going to help a lot of startups, a lot of founders that are here currently struggling. Can I get H-1B visas? Can I get O-1 visas? Kind of stuck in a bind. And this is something that was proposed by President Obama a couple of years ago, and only now it's starting to get some traction. So, what is the International Entrepreneur Rule going to do? So it's gonna create or allow entrepreneurs that are currently here in the U.S. working on a startup get parole, a 2-year parole, which is a work permit and a right to stay in the country to work on their startups. What are some of the requirements? Well, some of the requirements, as they were released today, first of all, they have to have a significant ownership interest in their company. The rule is talking about 15%. We'll see if that's going to be remaining in the final legislation. Second of them, the startup must have been formed in the United States in the past 3 years. Okay, so if somebody started a business more than 3 years ago, it's unclear right now whether it's going to be possible for them to apply for the parole. Another thing is the startup has demonstrated a substantial potential for business growth and job creation. And what does that mean? So there are two things that they mentioned. One is that they received an investment of $350,000 or more. Okay. The second thing is they received awards or grants at least $100,000, right, from federal, state, or local government, and partially they are satisfying both of these conditions. So we're talking about substantial investment, $350,000 or more, or $100,000 in grants from federal, state, or local government. So this is huge. So what does it mean? That means that such an entrepreneur that can show that they have at least these criteria are going to be able to get a 2-year parole to be able to live, work in the United States, to work on their startup without applying or being subject to any of the current visas that we have to deal with. So the current state of this is that it's just a proposed rule. We're waiting for the comment period right now, and hopefully in the next few months there will be some more substantial advancement in this. Once that happens, we'll update you, and very exciting. If you have any questions, feel free to post some comments or email me directly at jacob@h1b.biz. I look forward to connecting with you, and it's amazing news for entrepreneurs from all over the world launching in the US.